Kristal Rainbow Paper Story Time. Today I want to share you all the story of how Kristal Rainbow came to the earth.
Because my spaceship broke down, so I landed in the middle.
And also I had a little friend called Silver and I cannot find him. Friends, check this out. This is my spaceship.
The unicorn horns is attached to the top right here. Okay? And then my spaceship had a little door and it was made of very sturdy diamond material all over the spaceship. And I had a little engine that blows really powerful fire so the spaceship could move like this. And very sadly, my spaceship landed on the earth because my spaceship broke. So I cannot go back to my planet. Is that sad? So Kristal Rainbow, this is me, Kristal Rainbow.
Kristal Rainbow?
Yes.
Do you know you can fix the ship?
I could fix the ship? Really?
Yes.
So Kristal Rainbow came to the planet Earth.
Rainbow?
Yes, Jade.
Do you know you can go to a water ship station, fix your ship?
Ready?
Yeah.
I would love my ship to be fixed.
But how? You can blast
So
something.
I came to the Earth. So that's me, Kristal. K-R-I-S-T-A-L. Kristal. Okay? So,
Kristal Rainbow?
yes, Jade?
I want to say something.
Okay. Would you like to start painting me, Kristal? I love blue t-shirts and my skirt is full of rainbow. Thank you, Diamond. So Jade, do you wanna color my spaceship? Yeah?
So,
What color do you wanna use to color the spaceship?
rainbow.
Sure,
That's all of the colors.
sure. Thank you. Can you color them, please?
And that's all of the colors when it's finished.
Thank you.
The first one's done.
So I also wear some flowers on my head. So Kristal Rainbow actually came here with a little friend.
It is.
And my friend is a little kitty with a unicorn kitty, okay? So
I have to use the colors.
he's a very sleepy kitty and he always wants to sleep. And he's kind of look like a Persian cat, okay? Because he's so white and fluffy. But this is my kitty. How he look like? He had a lot of eyelashes too.
If you are watching this video, please help me find my kitty. He is lost and he's so sad. He might be around cactus where we landed, or he might be maybe protected by somebody else. I don't know. I'm so sad that my fluffy, beautiful Silver is missing. Please help me.
Look at the rainbow trail. Isn't that pretty? Now Phoebe, do it.
What color are you painting now?
I'm painting purple and then I'll wear pink.
Okay.
From the pink, I'll choose my favorite colors for the last color part. I like to use pink. This pink. This is a really nice pattern like this.
Let me explain a little bit more about my kitty Silver. Silver is a white cat. His fur is white and very furry, and he loves to sleep. He is sleeping almost all the time, and he has a beautiful horn.
My little kitty cat was all white. So I guess I'm just gonna paint white, but I don't see anything.
Because it's white. And what about her eyes?
He had a pink eyes.
Oh, look how... Okay, inside or outside?
Inside, all pink. He had a very beautiful pink eyes. Sure.
And what's the one? Go off the door. Kristal Rainbow?
Yeah.
It's all of the same colors.
Okay. Sounds good.
No.
Thank you. And he had a pink horns too.
Oh. Well, what is a different color? Kristal Rainbow.
Sure.
Do you know you love this color so much?
Yeah, what's this color? Can you show me?
It's almost like turtle blue.
It's almost like what blue?
It's almost like turtle blue. See how tall it is?
Turquoise blue?
Yes.
Turquoise blue.
It's almost like turtle blue.
Turquoise blue. Thank you.
It's different kind of blue. Oh! Outside is supposed to be yellow. Inside is supposed to be red.
Okay. Silver, glittery, or gold?
Okay, I'll try to find it. Because I don't see any color. So maybe it could be like a magenta pink.
Yeah, sure, that's fine.
I can find a magenta pink. That's one. Your horn could be magenta pink.
Are you gonna color my wings too?
Yes.
Thank you.
Do you know it's supposed to be like a white color. I drained the white color, so we use gray.
Okay. Well, I have a little... I was on the planet Rainbow right here, and I said I'm gonna go in and go into my special journey. And I came in with my friend little Silver. So Silver went, and we went into the... He came in and we flew together. Ready to blast off in 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! And then I was flying in the spaceship everybody sprinkle.
That's enough.
Okay, and then I came to planet Earth, and I landed in the middle of the desert because my spaceship broke down. So I landed in the middle of desert.
And then I came out of the spaceship.
Kristal Rainbow.
Can you get her out? I came out of the spaceship very safely. Hi guys. But my kitty, I don't know where my kitty went. And then my friend Diamond came to rescue me. And that's how I met my friend Diamond. And she's right here. Wave at everybody.
Goodbye.
Tell me those special colors. What are they for?
They're about heat.
Heat.
Yes. There's some parts are red and yellow and orange.
Okay.
So if yellow is not that hot, but it's green, it will be 0 hot. And if it's yellow, it'll be 2%. If it be orange, it'll be 4%. If it be red, it'll be 100%.
Okay. Do you
So-
see the little imperfection?
Yeah.
Because it's a $1 pen and it does not draw sometimes very well on some papers. That's fine.
I want to see how mine. Well, mine is better than any of yours. And I forgot to do another planet. Oh, you claws in my side. And there's Australia is really hot. You have to help me. Oh no. The earth is done.
Is it almost done?
Yeah.
I
It's
love
already
that.
done.
Let's cut it out.
And then they go.